Next point of discussion is exchange of old asset with new one. Sometimes business exchange its old asset with new one, and they are, suppose it is like the business is purchasing a new asset, and they are giving some old asset and balance amount is paid. So for example, I have taken exchange exchange old machinery of rupees 40,000 for new worth rupees 90,000, balance paid in cash. So business is replacing its old machine by getting new of rupees 90,000 and balance paid in cash. So in this case, machinery as a new machine is coming into the business, increase in asset should be increase in assets should be debited. Machinery account new debited with 90,000. We are making cash is decreasing from the business. Decrease in assets should be created. So 50,000 to cash account will be credited. And the same time the old machinery is also going out, or you can say it is decrease in asset, so decrease in asset should be credited. So machinery account old should be credited with 40,000. Being old machinery replaced by new, balance paid in cash. Now, another exhaustive example I have taken, exchange old delivery van worth rupees 80,000 for new worth rupees 4 lakh. Balance paid 50% from personal bank account and 50% from business bank account. Personal bank account means payment is made out of owner's personal account, personal bank account. It is like there is a expenses of the business which is paid by the owner by his personal amount. So here they have said a balance paid 50% from personal bank account means, in other word, the owner is investing that amount into the business. So I have given note. This note is given payment through personal bank account means owner's personal bank account. In this case, owner is a giver and his capital will increase in the firm, right? So exchange of old delivery van, the transaction is exchanged old delivery van worth rupees 80,000 for new worth rupees 40,000. Balance paid 50% from personal bank account and 50% from business bank account. So new delivery van is coming into the business, increase in asset should be debited. So delivery van new with 4 lakh and old is going out, or decrease in asset should be credited with 40,000. Now rest amount is, it should be 80,000. Wrongly written is 40,000, should be 80,000. So 50% we have paid from personal account. So capital is increasing by 1,60,000, and we have paid 50% we have paid through our business bank account. That is bank balance is decreasing. Decrease in bank balance should be created with 1,60,000. So please check it. It should be 80,000, not 40,000. Now, next point is loan taken. Suppose business is taking loan from other person or any institution. Loan is a liability for the business and the lender is a personal account. Conventional rules, if you are taking as if you are considering it from conventional point of view, so loan is a personal account representing the lender. So when loan taken from others, loan word should be used after the name of the lender. For example, bank loan account. For example, I have taken borrowed from ICICI Bank rupees 10 lakh. Here, whenever you take loan from bank generally not give you cash. What bank does it, they transfer that amount to your bank account. So actual, if you are borrowing from bank, so actual receiver is bank. your bank balance is increasing. Increase in bank balance is nothing but the increase in asset. Modern rule, increase in asset should be debited, so bank account should be debited. And the same time, liability, loan is a liability for the business, so increase in liability should be created, and the name of the liability is to ICICI bank loan account, being loan taken from ICICI bank. Now, next point is interest on loan taken. Whenever you take loan, you have to pay some interest. So there are two cases. One, when interest is due but not yet paid, means interest which you have to pay to the lender, but it is not yet paid. It is outstanding. So in this case, what will be the journal entry? So I have taken an example, 6% per annum interest due on bank loan amounting rupees 5 lakh for 6 months. So you would have taken bank loan of rupees 5 lakh, and the rate of interest is 6% per annum, and outstanding interest is 6 for 6 months. So you will calculate 6 month 5 you will calculate, and it is 15,000. So there are two accounts are involved, interest on loan and bank loan, or outstanding interest on loan or accrued interest on loan, both can be used. So interest on loan, which is an expense for the business, increase in expenses should be debited, so interest on loan account should be debited. And the same time, liability towards loan is increasing by 15,000. Either you credit increase the liability towards loan, or this is interest which is not yet paid, it is a liability for the business, it can be recorded as a accrued interest on loan account. Both are correct, but in general, most of the time what we used to do is, we if interest on loan hasn't been paid, then we increase the liability towards loan. So in general, interest on loan account debited to bank loan, if you are, but it is absolutely correct, interest on loan account debited to accrued interest on loan, or outstanding interest on loan can also be written. So now second point I have taken, when interest on loan paid. So it's very simple. Interest on loan is an expense. Expense should be debited, and cash balance is decreasing. Decrease in asset should be credited. I have given example where rupees 10,000 paid on interest on loan. So interest on loan as an expense should be debited. Increase in expense should be debited. That's why interest on loan account should be debited, and to cash account credited, and to cash account, that is cash account credited because of decrease in asset. Now last point is loan advanced or given. Sometimes business gives loan to others, so that loan what we are giving other is an investment for us. So the person who is receiving or who is borrowing from us, he is our debtor, and they are asset for the business, not a liability. So when loan is given to others, then loan word should be used before the name of borrower. For example, loan to Satyam. If you are, if the business is giving loan to Satyam, then we open an account loan to Satyam. For example, I have taken, Satyam borrowed rupees 50,000 from us. So loan to Satyam is an asset for us. Increase in asset should be debited. Loan to Satyam, debit to cash. Cash is going out from the business, or you can say cash as an asset is decreasing. Decrease in asset should be credited. So journal entry will be loan to Satyam, debit to cash account, being loan given to Satyam. That's all for the day, children. I have also given one, there's a homework which will be attached with this file, and if you have any doubt, you must ask to me without any hesitation. And please note down all the points in your class notes, and keep doing homework regularly, and send me the screenshots. Thank you.